Hey there, greetings from our Israel Goes Country event here at Temple Beth Ami. Great music. We got line dancing starting in a few minutes, and what a wonderful event. So we're so grateful to the committee that helped put this together. You can hear we got Sweet Home Alabama going on in the background, but we got whiskey tasting, kind of, chili tasting, a lot of chili, and a lot of great food and a lot of great people. So it's a wonderful event, a great way to welcome people to the synagogue to celebrate the spring. So greetings from Israel Goes Country.
This is Randy Miller, your Temple Beth Ami president. Just want to say what a wonderful day we're having here at Israel Goes Country. And I want to thank everyone for coming out. And we had a lot of fun, chili cook-off, raffles, and auction. Thank you very much, and Shabbat Shalom.